Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get beautiful, good looking, great layouts for your website. And if you're working on Elementor, then this would be more simple and easy for you. See, most of you guys would be having Elementor, the basic version of the website builder tool, which is having some limited, I could say, templates for you to create your pages. And the worst part is when you're going making your website one template, and if you've liked that template, you want to replicate the look and feel of the same template to entire website of yours. And in that situation, you will not find the different other page templates as you saw in DV or any other application, like home page, about us page, contact page, services page, product page. So every page would be having different, I could say, the look and feel. Right. So to avoid that, we would be going and looking at one of a better template. So let's look at my screen. So now for you to do the job, first thing first, you should be having Elementor installed, which I have, the Elementor basic version. Then we will go and install one more plugin, add new, and I will give a name as search for ENVAT Envato. If you look at this one, Envato Elements, Photos and Elementor Template. So we will go and install it first and activate. Right. Once you've done it, then you will find this elements tab here. You can go and look at the free kits. So these are the different templates which are available in Envato. Now, what do? We will go to the pages. So on pages, I want to make a page now. So let's say I want to make a page which is about I'm going to make my home page, and it is about, let's say, fitness center. I could say home page, change the template to Elementor full width, and here edit with Elementor. Now once you click it here, it will open your Elementor. Now in the basic Elementor, when you've installed, you are seeing only these two icons, the plus button, which is going to help you in adding your section. Then you got this folder icon, which is going to help you in getting the templates from Elementor. So please understand, when you come to this place, you will find some basic Elementors, but pros, whatever you see, you won't be able to use it because it will expect you to have the pro version, okay, which we do not have as of now. Then in that case, you can close it and come back here into Envato. So click on Envato elements. Now you could see Envato, I have also got, so whatever templates you've installed, they all would be appearing here. Here are the premium kits, which are basically paid, but you can go to the free kits. Now here you can find all the different templates which are available for you to make use of it. So I said I am looking for fitness center. Let me see fitness, very good. Extreme sports, fitness for all, start your dance journey. There are different templates already available. Unleash your sound, blitz your fitness, yoga and meditation. When you control your body, lifestyle gym, very nice. So maybe let's see which one I want to do. Let's say I want this one, dance code. I will go and want to see the preview first. How does it look like? So here you could see all these layouts are available for different pages. So home page 1, home page 2, home page 3, different layouts. Class details, events, coming soon page, pricing page, then pricing pro page, contact page, then get in touch page, and so on and so forth. All right. So let's say I want to use this template. So click on install kit. It will take some time. And once you do it, I think it has been done. So view kit. So this is coming right now into your install kit section. Now it says there are certain elements which are required for this template to work properly. So you can click on install requirements. Close. Now this template, if you're going to use it on your website, it will perfectly work as you see here. So let me see if I love anything here. I think, let's say I love this one, home. Insert template. All right, we got it. So in this way, now you can go and really change the content of your own choice, and you can have very beautiful, lovely looking website. All right, once you're done with this, you can go and publish it. Your one of your pages ready. Now you want to make another page. Go back again onto the exit dashboard, Wordpress, add new. So home page is a nice. I want to make a classes page. Right. Again, I will make it a default template. In that case, I will make it full width. Edit with Elementor. Then go back here. Now this is what we had installed earlier. Again, I will go click on here, view kit. I want to use the classes pages, right? So here classes one, classes two, which is looking great. Two, three, two, three. I think this is good. Insert template. So 75% almost done. Yeah. And here you've got all the look and feel of this great page. Rest is cakewalk. You all know it, how to go and edit this content in the Elementor. All right. Now this is the simplest thing which you can use to create your beautiful, good-looking, great websites. Even though you do not have you do not have Elementor Pro to get the templates which are there. I hope this audio would have really made you a bit comfortable, and you can go and try to practice it to create your great looking pages. Thank you. Bye bye.